One doesn't have to look far to find something to worry about. We are surrounded by stressors left and right, and it can feel impossible to escape their influence, even during a restful time like winter. Join me for 10 minutes of guided relaxation to the images and sounds of the season, and you might find a hint of the peace that you seek. Hello there, my name is Dee, and this is Easing Anxiety. If you like what we do, please subscribe and click on the notifications button so you can be alerted when new videos are available. Thanks for joining us. Welcome to our winter relaxation video. The goal of this video is to help you pull away from the chaos of the everyday and remember a simpler time, a more innocent time, a more peaceful time. In today's video, we will share some relaxing images of winter, some peaceful music to accompany them, and a few words of encouragement along the way. Ever so gently, ease your breathing. Allow it to slow down, to be more natural, to be in rhythm with the beauty and the sounds around you. There are no worries here, no dangers, no expectations. Allow yourself to feel the chill of the snow. And the warmth of a crackling fire at the end of the day. Enjoy its heat as it warms from within. Enjoy the tickle of the steam on your nose from a cup of hot cider. Let all your worries disappear, because there's no place else you have to be. Few things in life are as serene and pristine as freshly fallen snow. Allow the stress of your day to melt away, for you don't need it anymore. If your mind wanders, just gently bring it back to the images and sounds. For there is no room for worry here, just peace. And the simple beauty of nature. holiday season is one of peace, one of joy, one of reflection and introspection. But far too often we hurry through the holidays and lose sight of the secrets within. Nature and humans alike have created a spectacle for us to enjoy. Don't forget to stop, look around, and be grateful for what the world has provided. Let go of the anger, let go of the frustration, let go of the demands and expectations, and see the world as it is. Beautiful, loving, inviting, and awe-inspiring. Breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Feel the cool mists from the water. Feel the warmth of a sunset through the towering pines. Or the solitude of a winter's drive on a snow-packed mountain road. Despite its frozen appearance, wildlife thrives, and new life explores this magical playground. As the sun sets on another winter's day, we can reflect on the laughter and the joy. And as you finish your shopping in the local village, you head home to your mountain retreat. Where a warm fire awaits you to warm your toes one more time. And those you love surround you and the world makes sense again. I hope this video has helped to relieve some of the stress of your day and remind you that the world around you is beautiful. All you have to do is look. Happy holidays from Easing Anxiety. Peace to you, your family, and friends. I'll see you next time.